right, y'all, football is right around the corner. So for the month of August, I'm gonna be cooking my favorite tailgate recipes. If you wanna be voted MVP at your next tailgate this fall, you've gotta make these Copycat Chick-fil-A chicken minis. Let me show you how to make them. All right, y'all, to make these chicken minis, we're gonna first start with these Sister Schuber Parker House rolls. We're gonna cook these in the oven on 350 degrees, covered with foil for about 15 to 20 minutes. And while those are cooking, grab you some frozen chicken nuggets. I'm using these Tyson's boneless chicken bites, but just any frozen chicken nugget will work. I'm gonna air fry these. So just loosely cover these. I also wanted to say mine are not thawed out. All right, these are in the air fryer for like 15 minutes. As you can see, they are perfectly done. Okay, and while we're waiting on those rolls to finish up, we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter with 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm using my favorite. It is this Rich's 100% pure honey. You can find it in Piggly Wiggly's. They're all over the South. Publix. Their honey is delicious. So I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon. Yum, that is the best honey. All right, microwave this. I never had this chicken, I wanna try it. All right, our rolls are ready. Just gonna grab 1 roll. These are really hot. Gently open it, add in your chicken nugget. Close her up. Put these down after I get done filling them. Let me know who y'all are rooting for this season. I graduated from the University of Tennessee and I worked for the football team while I was there. I absolutely loved it. So go Vols, but rooting for an SEC team, we can definitely be friends. Last one. Chick-fil-A sauce. Now just brush on the butter and honey. Look how delicious. Perfect for game day. Had to get me some of the Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh my God. I'm not kidding y'all. These taste exactly like Chick-fil-A chicken minis. Shooketh. Make these for an NFL game on Sunday and everybody will be praising you. Oh. You're gonna be everybody's favorite person at the tailgate if you make these.